Hi guys, RETROCENGO here with the channel update. Now you guys are asking, where is the Amiga 4000 motherboard repair video? When is it coming out? You guys want to see what has been done and what battery damage it had and all that. It is on the way, guys. Thank you for all your mails, thank you for all the questions, thank you for the interest. You guys, I really appreciate it. But I got a little surprise for you, because the Amiga 4000 board works perfect now. And of course a video update will come out very soon. But the surprise is, I had an Amiga 3000 motherboard that was junk. I mean, some of my friends saw this board. I posted some pictures online with a lot of battery juice all over the board, one side of the board, and some of you guys said this is trash, just throw it out and all that. But that Amiga 3000 board is also working. Yesterday it gave audio, it gave picture, but the audio out of the VGA out with the Amber chip, not these, but when using the Amber chip, it has a scan doubler built in. The VGA out, it had some blur on the picture, some interference and all that. That issue has also been fixed. So I'm gonna combine everything and show you the Amiga 4000, show you the different ICs that has been replaced and the problems I had, and also the Amiga 3000 board. These boards had a lot of battery juice all over the place, and for starters they couldn't boot with what's it called, with the diagram. We should use logic, I don't remember, something they used before diagram. I don't know what it was called. It could boot, it could give a sync with that, and it has been a journey, and I'm so thankful you are sending me your mails. But this little channel update, guys, please stop asking about the video. It is on the way, it will come out, and I hope you guys will enjoy it, because I'm so happy that we have saved, not me alone, I'm getting help. I have great network, great friends, people that really enjoys to repair all Commodore stuff ways. So stay tuned and have a great day. And until next time,